9:14 in the evening, of course in the evening, October 9th, 2020, Hurricane Delta. We have had significant flooding in Iowa, Louisiana. Don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. I don't have my other light. Oh well. You can hear the wind. It's still going pretty good. Anyway, we did not flood for Hurricane Laura. We flooded for Hurricane Delta. Hurricane Laura brought a horrible 150-mile-an-hour wind gust to our area. It did considerable damage. But this storm, there was considerable amount of flash flooding. And in my neighborhood where I live, our home and the home next to us is higher than everyone else's. And so we don't generally flood easily. However, we have flooded with this storm. So, I can't see it anymore. There we go. I don't know what happened there. Oh, that was super strong. This chair was left not put up, and I guess the ones decided they didn't want it. That too. This direction is north. So I just saw that we got 15 inches of rain. I definitely can believe that. So it's a lot of rain. Thanks, sis, for that info.